Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech tips and tricks. I'm Aya and today I have something to share with you. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the number of accounts you need to manage? Maybe you have a personal, Gmail, a work email, and even a domain specified email for your website. Today we are going to simplify your life by showing you how to add email like one from cPanel Webmail to your primary Gmail account. This will make managing your emails effortless and keep everything in one place. Alright, let's start with adding a domain specified email like one from cPanel Webmail. This is especially useful if you have a professional email address for your business or website. First, open your Gmail account. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon to open your settings. From the drop down menu, select See All Settings. Scroll over to the Accounts and Imports tab. Here you'll find an option that says Check Mail from Other Accounts and click on Add Mail Account. Enter your domain email address, for example name@yourdomain.com, and click Next. You will be asked to choose the method for linking. For domain emails, we typically use the POP3 option. Select Import Emails from POP3 and then click Next. You'll need to enter some additional information, your username, password, POP server, and import. The POP server is usually mail.yourdomain.com and the POP is typically 110. Make sure to check the options to leave a copy of the retrieved message on the domain server to use a secure connection. These settings ensure that your emails are safely transferred and also remain accessible from your original email. My username is this one. I will add a minute or so today. And the port is 995 because I'm retrieving my emails from cPanel Webmail. You're gonna want to leave a copy of a retrieved message on the server and then always use a secure connection when retrieving email. And then you also want to label the incoming messages by your username so that you know which emails are coming from which account. And then after entering these details, click on Add Account. If everything is correct, Gmail will start fetching emails from your domain account and display them in your primary Gmail inbox. And just like that, you've successfully added domain specified email to your Gmail. Think about the convenience and peace of mind you'll gain by having all your emails in one place, no more jumping between different platforms and no more missed emails. Your productivity will skyrocket. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments how this has helped you. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop in the comments as well. We're here to help. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.